someone consumes modern media, chances are good that they will have heard of Adele in some way. After all, she is one of the best-selling artists of all time, having reached said status over the course of little more than a single decade. As a result, it is no wonder that there are some sources that believe her current net worth to be around $220 million. In short, Adele became interested in singing when she was a child, so much so that she is said to have spent more of her time singing than reading. Due to this, she went on to study at the Brit School, which is a London-based school focused on both performing arts and performing technologies. It is interesting to note that Adele has given the Brit School credit for developing her singing, though when she was at the school, she was more interested in a role that would let her help other people launch their music careers than launch one of her own. With that said, it is clear that fate had other plans in mind. Soon after graduation, one of Adele's friends posted a demo that she had recorded for a class project on MySpace, where it proceeded to become popular enough to catch the interest of the boss of a record label. At the time, Adele wasn't even sure if the offer that she had received was even real, which is why she actually brought a friend with her to the meeting. However, the offer was indeed real, as shown by how Adele soon proceeded to making music on a professional level. Adele rose to prominence in her native Britain within a short period of time. Meanwhile, her US efforts in that regard were more of an uphill climb. However, it wasn't without its successes, as shown by Adele's appearance on one of the more successful Saturday night episodes of recent times. Eventually, Adele had her true international break with the release of 21 in 2011, which was the product of her maturation as a professional performer since her career started up. Since that time, Adele's career has soared. Her releases have been huge successes. Furthermore, she has teamed up with other performers on multiple occasions, thus raising her profile even higher than otherwise possible. In fact, Adele has reached the point where she has become an icon of British culture to outsiders, so much so that there are those who would put her on the same level as figures, ranging from J.K. Rowling to William Shakespeare. Considering the worldwide fame of said individuals, that is a huge compliment to say the least. Curiously, while Adele has made an enormous amount of money from her music and music-related activities, there is reason to believe that she could have made even more if she was so inclined. In short, Adele's fame means that it should come as no surprise to learn that she has received a number of offers for product endorsements over the course of her career, with a particularly well-known example being a $54 million offer from a diet endorsement deal. However, Adele has never shown much interest in said offers, justifying her position on the matter by stating that she prefers to focus on her music. Seeing as how the diet endorsement offer was but one of the offers that have been made towards her, it seems probable that Adele's current net worth of $220 million would be even higher if she was interested in that sort of thing. Due to this, Adele's net worth is bound to grow in the years to come as her music continues to appeal to a wide range of people living in a wide range of countries situated all around the world. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.